Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car review, and today we have the recolor of the Barbieextra, now in this white color. And as you can see, this is from the Hot Wheels screen time, number 3 out of 10, and number 57, yes, number 57, number 57 out of 250, and Barbieextra. So let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Here it is, the Barbieextra, now in white. More like this angelic white, I would say, because it matches the doors. Of course, it has the angel wings of the Barbieextra. And as you can see, like I said just now, it's in white, and now it has pink wheels. Because before this, we had gray with the pink wheels, and we had pink with the pink wheels. Was it pink with pink? I don't remember. Currently I have the gray version with me, but I don't remember where I put the pink one. Here it is next to the gray one. I will just briefly compare it here. So yeah, you have different type of wheels now currently, and yeah, the interior is completely different. And yeah, let's take a look at the car itself here. Here it is, Barbieextra, now in white, and as you can see, it has these pink wheels, like I said just now, but with chrome silver lining for the rims instead of the normal black and purple, chrome purple rims. As you can see, now it's in chrome silver, as you can see right there. Obviously, you have the angelic doors right here on the side. And moving on to the front, you have the star headlights in this orange color. Obviously, there's no grille details right here. The grille sort of kind of looks like a smushed grille from the 400Z for some reason. Yeah, you have Barbie, the Barbie logo at the hood right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it is. You have a massive hood right here, if you want to know that. And then you have sort of like orange-ish transparent windshield right here, which is pretty cool. Also, you have some orange-ish transparent piece right there. And then you have this tiny spoiler right here. Moving on to the back, you have the rear lights in yellow as a star shape, of course. Barbieextra at the back, and then you have star shaped spoilers. Spoiler that's shaped like a star right there. There are 3 of them. Yeah, by the way, the base has turned into purple, as you can see right here. Barbieextra 2021 Mattel, made in Malaysia. And I forgot to show the interior right there. There's the steering wheel, now purple. Everything in here is purple now. Don't fall. Yeah, there you go. Overall, the Barbieextra castings are okay, I would say, but I don't know who would want to collect every single color of this. I mean, I would to like review it or so, something like that. But for normal people, maybe only it's either girls, or maybe if they're a fan of Barbie, they would buy these type of cars. If not, it wouldn't really go to sale, bro. I mean, sales wouldn't increase for this car at all if it weren't to be. If you don't like Barbie, or maybe if you're not a fan of it, or even though if you're a girl or you don't want to buy Hot Wheels products, then the sales won't go up for this casting at all, and it wouldn't release in like a few more years until it really releases or so, something like that. But yeah, overall it's kind of great casting now in white. Previously it was in pink, and then before that it was in gray, which I have on the right here. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Barbieextra. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.